Okay, so this is our second day practicing graphing trig functions. Okay, so today we're going to start with cosine. Okay, and I actually put it on the paper this time where it has the center line, amplitude, and period. So we're going to find those and plug those in there. Okay, so again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my f of x with my transformations, the generic ones, so I can see what I'm dealing with. Okay, so this k is my vertical shift, which tells me where my center line is. So my center line is y equals positive 3, so it's been moved up 3. This is my amplitude. So my new amplitude is 1/2. So it was 1 in the parent function, and now it's 1/2, so it's been vertically compressed. B will give me my period, but since B is 1, I don't have a change in period, so my period is still 2 pi. This is my horizontal shift. So we're going to go to the, almost made that mistake. We're going to the left 3 pi. Okay? So we're going to be shifting to the left 3 pi. So always tell my students, start off with parent function. So cosine, the 5 key points. And this is 1 period of cosine from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, and we're going to see where this ends up. So let's start with our change in amplitude. So this change in amplitude is our vertical compression. So my amplitude now, instead of being 1, is 1/2. 0 stay the same, but I'm vertically compressing. So the distance, this distance that was 1 from here to here, is now 1/2. So it vertically compresses. Okay? Now, so that was this transformation. So now we're going to move it up 3. So all these are going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So there's my vertical shift. And that shows that this right here, this is my center line. Okay? Now we're going to go to the left 3 pi. So this was at 0, and now it's going to be all the way here at 3 pi. Okay? The end was at 2 pi, so it's going to end again at negative pi. This is at pi, so that's going to be at negative 2 pi. So here are my final coordinates. Okay? Looks good. And again, always check yourself. Okay? So say let's plug in f of negative 2 pi. So we're going to check to see this coordinate. Is it where it's supposed to be? Okay? So plug it in. So 3 plus 1/2 cosine negative 2 pi plus 3 pi. So negative 2 pi plus 3 pi, that means this is cosine of pi. Cosine of pi is negative 1. So negative 1 times 1/2 is negative 1/2. So 3 minus 1/2 is 2.5. Is this at negative 2 pi 2.5? Negative 2 pi 1 2.5. Yep, sure is. So it looks good to me.